Hey, it's Betty. I'm just going to do a quick video for you on replacing the door lock knob. This is a common thing that happens. It just falls off and then people don't really worry about it because it just still works fine and everything. I picked this up at AutoZone for a few bucks and it'll just make it look a lot better. In case you're wondering, it's part number 75221 from Dorman. So you just take it out of the box. This is what it looks like. You just stick it on the little screw hole and push it down. Now it looks a lot better and only took a second to do. Thanks for watching. You all have a wonderful day and take care. Bye-bye.